How to add PayPal for donations in Streamlabs. Adding PayPal for donations in Streamlabs is one of the most essential steps a streamer should do. One of the ways a streamer earns money is through donation. With that being said, let's dive into the tutorial. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to head over to streamlabs.com and then you want to hit the dashboard. So once that you are in your dashboard, I want you to click tipping. And instead of clicking connect, I want you to go over to paypal.com. Okay, and then here we're going to click sign up. Okay, now that we are here, I'm going to show you the differences between the two. For the personal one, this is actually very easy. The only downside here is that whenever they donate, they will be able to see your personal information, and that includes your name. For the business, however, this is going to be a little bit difficult to set up. However, the good thing is that whenever they're going to donate, they will not be able to see your name. The only thing that they're going to see is your business name. So that could be your YouTube channel's name, Twitch's name, and whatever. So this time I'm going to show you the easier method. So let's go and click personal. And then I'm going to click get started. So select your country region, Philippines, and then get started. And I'm going to type my mobile number. Okay, security challenge. Alright, and then I'm going to enter the confirmation code. Okay, and after filling out everything, I want you to hit next. Okay, so I have all the informations ready, so I'm going to click agree and create account. And then we can link our card. So yeah, let me try this one. I'm gonna link my card here. Okay, and then I'm going to click link card. Alright, and then now that I'm here, so yes, this is now my card. Then let's try to go to Streamlabs again and click connect. So connect. Okay, so there you go. So instead of having me type again, so I was redirected into this one. And I'm gonna type my password. So I'm gonna click continue. And next. Okay, agree and connect. And then I'm gonna open my email. Okay, and then I'm going to click go back to Streamlabs. Alright, now we have successfully connected PayPal account in our Streamlabs. So with this being done, you will now be able to accept donations coming from your streamers. So congratulations. And by the way guys, again, I would highly suggest to upgrade to Streamlabs Ultra to level up your streaming quality and experience. You can save up to $10 right away after clicking on the link in the description box and the comment section below. And as always, please subscribe to the channel and like this video if this helps you out.